This mop stands out with its 8-liter wheeled bucket, which is practical for moving around with. You can even remove the upper part of the bucket to empty the water. The initial assembly of the mop is a bit tedious at first, but it only takes a few minutes. When you press the dedicated mechanism, the whole mop unhooks from one side. Consequently, it hangs down and becomes unpractical to plunge into the bucket or to insert into the wringer. On the other hand, the wringing system is ultra effective because it is operated by foot power. You can therefore adjust the wringing according to your needs, and this allows you not to use too much water, so the floor dries quickly. After a brief adaptation period, it becomes easy to rinse and wring the mop without using your hands, which is a great feature for hygiene. The handle measures 140 centimeters long, but it is not adjustable. As for the wide mop, it is 42 centimeters long and pivots 360 degrees to reach all corners. Finally, for maintenance, the mop is machine washable at a maximum temperature of 60 degrees. In short, thanks to its mobile bucket and its foot-operated wringing, it allows a hygienic, fast, and effective cleaning on all floors.